Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit money on Binance. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Binance app and then you will have to tap on this little wallet icon here. When you tap on it, you can see that there is going to be the deposit and the buy with cash icon. And if you tap on the deposit icon, here you can search for any fiat currencies or cryptocurrencies. If you tap on fiat, you can type in USD, then tap on USD, and here you can transfer your amount to your Binance account. Here is USD. You can tap on continue, and yeah, you should have a verified account for this. But when you tap on continue, you can give your bank details and you can deposit your fiat currency. Now let's check out how to deposit cryptocurrencies. Here, if you tap on crypto, there is a list of cryptos that you can deposit to this platform, or you can search it here. There are almost all of the major cryptos available here, so you can search for any of them. Let's say Ripple. Oh, there is no Ripple actually. Or P. Ah, yeah, here it is. So you tap on the crypto that you want to deposit, and then you can go and deposit it to your Binance wallet. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.